Sometimes tension builds inside the home long before other people ever see it. The child may already feel uncomfortable. There may have been arguing earlier. The adults may already feel frustrated. But then other people become present. Friends arrive. Family members walk in. Other people begin watching. And suddenly the behavior inside the home begins changing. The adults may begin acting calm. The tension may suddenly disappear. The conflict may look like it never happened. But sometimes the child still reacts to what happened earlier. They may look upset. They may try to speak. They may show discomfort that reflects what actually happened privately. And this is often when the child suddenly gets shut down. They may be told to stop talking. They may be corrected immediately. Or their reaction may suddenly become a problem. This is often where children begin noticing emotional inconsistency. Something may begin feeling wrong before the child fully understands why. Because only moments earlier the conflict inside the home was real. But now everyone is pretending everything feels normal. What this often does is create confusion for the child. The child begins noticing adults behave differently depending on who is watching. And when the child reacts honestly to what happened privately, that honest reaction may suddenly need to disappear. Sometimes people describe this as a narcissistic family pattern when it happens repeatedly. Because over time, protecting how the family looks to other people may begin becoming more important than what the child is actually experiencing privately. And when this happens repeatedly, the child may slowly begin learning that another person's image can matter more than their own emotional reality. What often happens in these moments is the child's honest reaction may now threaten the calm image the adult is trying to present to other people. If the child shows discomfort, speaks honestly, or reacts to what happened privately, other people may begin noticing that something inside the home is not matching what they are seeing publicly. So the child may suddenly get shut down because maintaining how the family looks from the outside has now become more important than allowing the child to express what they are actually experiencing. Repeated exposure to this can teach the child that showing honest emotion may create discomfort for other people. So silence slowly begins feeling safer. This can become a very normal response when children repeatedly experience contradictory behavior. If this happens once, it may simply be a difficult moment. But when it repeats, children may begin questioning why behavior never feels consistent. In healthy families, children do not have to question why adults behave like completely different people depending on who is watching. Many adults later become highly sensitive to inconsistent behavior in relationships because early experiences taught them that what they saw was not always what was real. Your confusion may make more sense than you realized. Sometimes repeated inconsistency can slowly affect how much trust you place in what you observe. If this helped put words to your experience, like the video and subscribe to the channel. This channel exists to help you recognize narcissistic and manipulative patterns calmly, clearly, and without blame, so you can understand what is happening and trust yourself again. And when children repeatedly learn that showing honest reactions can create consequences, another pattern often begins developing quietly underneath it. Over time, they may begin watching themselves constantly before saying or doing anything at all. In the next video, we will look at why children start watching their own behavior constantly. Click here to watch.